Welcome to VAL'S Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am come up with a homemade chicken masala. Now chicken masala is actually a normal chicken masala where you get like Everest chicken masala, or you can say it is Eastern chicken masala, or whatever chicken masala powder what we need. And this is again in Goan style like how we do, so but it is called as chicken masala. Now we have one more chicken masala that is called 36 spices one, that is shakuti. That also you can add whenever you are making chicken masala, but some people don't like loads of spices, so this is with a very few spices and homemade chicken masala. Okay, in Goan style, or you can say Indian style, whatever, but this is again I learned from my grandmother. So let's start. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता म्हाज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर, वेल्स क्विक टिप्स अँड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. आनी आयज हांव दाखयता चिकन मसाला वा चिकन मसालो पावडर घरा कसो करूं येता. अँड this is like for this masala will be used for around it will come up to 100 grams, and it can be used for 2.5 to 3 kgs chicken. Okay, when you want to make 2.5 to 3 kgs chicken, you can use this quantity, and if you are using 1 kg chicken, then you reduce it. Okay, so ये जावन आसा 2.5 ते 3 किलो चिकनाक लागून हांव हो मसालो दाखयता. जेन्ना तुमचे कडेन कितें फेस्त आसता आनी खूब सोयऱ्यां येवपाचीं आसता तेन्ना तुज्यान हें उजार करूं येता. सो वॉट यू नीड: these are curry leaves, dry curry leaves. Okay, sun dried curry leaves. So it is like 1 tablespoon, you can say. Now again I say every person has got their own teaspoon or tablespoon. So this is like now 2 tablespoon of this cloves, 2 tablespoon. Then I will be adding to this 2 Kashmiri chilies and 2 spicy chili, that is thin chili, spicy chili. Now this is again around of this size 3 tablespoon of this coriander seeds. These are all sun dried, so I don't need to roast it. Now this is 2 big teaspoon, not tablespoon, again teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon, the bigger size. See, there are teaspoon of small also, but we get a different teaspoon, so I am using bigger size, I am saying. So 2 bigger size of teaspoon of cumin seed. Now this is half teaspoon, again half big teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Now this is ginger powder, dried and made powder. So ginger was dried and made powder, so this is like 1 teaspoon of ginger powder and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. So you can roast your garlic in oven, or you can sun dry and then make a powder once it is fully dried. So this is 1 teaspoon. Then I have taken this nutmeg, this size, please see, it's like not even half, it's like 3/4 it will be. So this is the size. Okay, nutmeg you can't use more, otherwise the masala this will get spoiled. And these are the 3 which can fit in this of cinnamon stick. So now we have to grind this to a powder. So let's start grinding this to a powder. So we'll add all this together. And now we'll grind this to fine powder. Now we'll add this a little bit of salt to this, okay? So we'll add little bit of salt to this. I'm adding very little salt, around like half teaspoon, because you are going to preserve it if you are not going to make it all together. So half teaspoon of salt, and I will grind this. So here is our masala powder, chicken masala, homemade powder is ready. Basically all the masalas look same color, but it is different in taste, okay? So this is chicken masala, homemade chicken masala, and it is 100 grams. You can weigh it in your this, but you know my grandmother was doing all in andas. This tablespoon, teaspoon, everything is come now because of measurements and all. But my grandmother used to put in hand measurements and अंदाज से. So हांव तांकां सांगता की माझी घरामाय जी आसली ती सगळे हातीन मसाले काडटाली, हे घाल तें घाल तें घाल ऑल ते सगळे. आनी आतां आमकां टेबल स्पून, टीस्पून हें तें जाय. बट एनीवे वी नीड न्यू जनरेशन्स, वी नीड ऑल दिस थिंग. Sometimes I get a little bit this that Goan's old generation also comments like your tablespoon is so this and your teaspoon is so this. But what to say? Anyway, thank you. So done, and enjoy your chicken masala, homemade chicken masala. See, all the masala is over here also. So I'll tap this also. And for those who feel that my videos are all slow, please, on the YouTube there is some setting where you can fast forward it, or there is something like a setting where you can increase that level and make it fast. So YouTube has given everybody that also. You don't have to get bored watching all this. These are specially for those who want to, new learners who are new to everything and want slowly. Thank you. देव बरें करूं. Enjoy करा तुमच्या Goan chicken masala, okay, and enjoy your. So this is for 2.5 kg of chicken pieces you have to use. Thank you. I will show you the recipe for that also. Thank you.